Chemistry and industry, real-world applications. Chemistry is not just a subject confined to textbooks and laboratories. It plays a vital role in countless industries that shape our daily lives. From the medicines we take to the materials we use, chemistry is the foundation of modern industrial processes. In this video, we will explore how chemistry is applied in real-world settings, focusing on manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, and materials science. Understanding these applications will help you appreciate the practical importance of chemistry in solving real-world problems and driving technological innovation. Chemistry finds applications across numerous industries, each relying on chemical principles to create products and solutions. The pharmaceutical industry uses chemistry to design and synthesize life-saving drugs. Materials science develops new polymers, ceramics, and composites with unique properties. Chemical manufacturing produces essential substances like acids, bases, and fertilizers that support agriculture and other industries. Energy production relies on chemistry for developing batteries, fuel cells, and refining petroleum. These four major areas demonstrate how chemistry transforms raw materials into valuable products that improve our quality of life. The pharmaceutical industry is one of the most important applications of chemistry. It involves four key stages. First, drug discovery and synthesis, where chemists design new molecules and create them through chemical reactions. Second, quality control and analysis, which ensures that every batch of medicine meets strict safety and purity standards. Third, formulation development, where active ingredients are combined with other substances to create tablets, capsules, or liquids that are easy to use and effective. Finally, scale-up manufacturing, which takes a drug from small laboratory batches to large-scale production for worldwide distribution. Each step requires deep understanding of chemical principles. Let us look at a classic example, the synthesis of aspirin. Aspirin is produced through an acetylation reaction. Salicylic acid reacts with acetic anhydride to form aspirin and acetic acid as a byproduct. This is an esterification reaction, one of the fundamental reaction types in organic chemistry. This process demonstrates how simple chemical reactions can be scaled up for industrial production. Aspirin is one of the most widely used medications in the world, and its synthesis showcases how chemistry directly impacts healthcare. This reaction is also commonly performed in educational laboratories because of its simplicity and practical relevance. Materials science is another critical field where chemistry plays a central role. Polymers are large molecules made of repeating units, used to create plastics, synthetic fibers like nylon and polyester, and protective coatings. Ceramics are non-metallic inorganic materials with high heat resistance, used in construction and electronics. Composites combine two or more materials to create lightweight yet high-strength products, commonly used in aerospace and automotive industries. Nanomaterials are materials engineered at the nanoscale, offering unique properties for applications in medicine, electronics, and environmental protection. These materials are the building blocks of modern technology. Polyethylene production is an excellent example of polymer synthesis. In this process, many ethylene monomers, which have the chemical formula C2H4, undergo addition polymerization. The double bond in each ethylene molecule breaks, and the molecules link together to form long chains of polyethylene. This polymer is one of the most common plastics, used in everything from plastic bags to bottles and containers. The reaction can be controlled to produce different types of polyethylene with varying properties, such as high-density polyethylene or low-density polyethylene. This versatility makes polyethylene invaluable in manufacturing. Chemical manufacturing involves producing bulk chemicals that serve as raw materials for other industries. Sulfuric acid production is one of the most important industrial processes, as sulfuric acid is used in fertilizers, batteries, and countless chemical reactions. Ammonia synthesis, which we will discuss in detail next, is essential for producing fertilizers that feed billions of people worldwide. Fertilizer manufacturing combines ammonia with other chemicals to create nitrogen-rich compounds that enhance crop growth. Industrial solvents are used to dissolve, extract, or process other substances in manufacturing. These chemicals form the backbone of industrial chemistry. The Haber process is one of the most important chemical processes ever developed. It synthesizes ammonia from nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas. The balanced chemical equation shows that one molecule of nitrogen reacts with 3 molecules of hydrogen to produce 2 molecules of ammonia. This reaction requires high pressure, a temperature of about 450 degrees Celsius, and an iron catalyst to proceed efficiently. The ammonia produced is primarily used to manufacture fertilizers, which are crucial for modern agriculture. Without the Haber process, it would be impossible to produce enough food to sustain the global population. This process revolutionized agriculture in the 20th century. Chemistry is fundamental to energy production and storage. Batteries store energy through electrochemical reactions, converting chemical energy into electrical energy. Common examples include lithium-ion batteries used in smartphones and electric vehicles. Fuel cells generate electricity by converting hydrogen and oxygen into water, producing clean energy with no harmful emissions. Petroleum refining uses fractional distillation and cracking to separate crude oil into useful products like gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. Solar cells use photovoltaic materials, often made from silicon or other semiconductors, to convert sunlight directly into electricity. These technologies are essential for meeting our energy needs while reducing environmental impact. Let us summarize the key points. Chemistry drives industrial innovation by providing the knowledge and tools to create new materials, medicines, and energy solutions. The applications of chemistry span multiple sectors, including healthcare, manufacturing, construction, agriculture, and energy. Chemistry is essential for modern society, enabling us to solve complex problems and improve quality of life. From pharmaceuticals that cure diseases to materials that build our infrastructure, chemistry transforms raw materials into valuable products. As you continue your chemistry studies, remember that these principles have real-world impact. Understanding industrial chemistry opens doors to careers in research, engineering, and innovation. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.